Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove a filter in Kik. Filters can help you control who can contact you, but if you want to turn them off or access them, this guide will walk you through the process. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Kik app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then you can see your profile icon on top right corner. Tap on it. On your screen, you can see chat settings over there. Tap on it. And scroll down until you see new chat request. Tap on it. And here you can remove filters for new chat request. It asks you either you never want new chat request or only want it from the groups or always. I'm going to tap on never. After making your changes, Kik will automatically update your preferences. And that's it, you have successfully removed the filter of new chat request, making it easier for everyone to contact. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.